Hello everyone. In today's video, I will tell you how to migrate the whole website from one domain to another domain, or from one server to another server, or from localhost to your live server. Okay. First of all, I will tell you I have the two domains. One is adforcost.designgenius.com. This design is totally developed. This website is completed. Okay, and the second domain is youtube.designgenius.com. Okay, this is our new domain. In this domain I will shift all the developed files from this domain to the new youtube.designgenius.com. Okay, so the steps are very simple. I will migrate whole website from one server to another server, or from one domain to another domain, using all-in-one WP migration plugin. Okay, so first of all, I will install the all-in-one WP migration plugin. All-in-one WP migration. This is the first one. Okay, simply install this and then activate this. Now your plugin is totally ready to make the backup. Okay, now the next step is to make the backup of whole the website. So go to the all-in-one W migration option and then click on export. After clicking on export, click on export to and then click on file. When you will click on file, it will make a backup files and then make a ready process to download the files. It will take a little bit time and it depends upon the file size. Just wait, it's almost completed now. 89% now, 29% completed. 5 files done exporting. Yes, it's almost done now. Okay, now the files are ready to download. Simply download the files which you want to migrate from this server to end server. Okay, so download these files. Files are being downloaded. 50% completed. Just downloaded two files, but I will cancel one and will keep the first one. Just need to be completed. Okay, now it's almost completed. Yes, the backup files are downloaded successfully. Now I will transfer this backup folder to the new Design Genius website. I mean youtube.designgenius.com. Okay, so again I will install the same plugin which I installed in the first one in order to import the backup files. So go to the plugins, add new, and then write all-in-one WP migration. Okay, then install this and activate this. Okay, now plugin installed and ready to import the backup files. Now I will import the files in order to restore the file on this domain. Okay, So I will click on import and then click on import from file. Go to download options and then select the recently downloaded file of the website, backup file basically. It will take time to import all data. It's almost completed. So 6, 70, 80, 85. Yes, almost completed. Yes, yes, it's done. File is totally imported to the server. Now it's starting restoring the files. I mean, it will show a notice about the import process. Click on proceed and then it will take a little bit more time. Now it's starting restoring the files. Done preparing options. Yes, your website is totally imported to the new server. Okay, but before proceeding further, click on save permalink structure in order to save the uh, page links into the new domain or new server, because sometimes it makes a little bit issue with the media files or with the page links. Okay, so in order to make the site safe and in order to make the page links working, you must click on save permalink structure, then click on the username and admin and password, and then it will log into your the new website. Now in new website you simply save change the permanent structure. Okay, if you want to change the structure then you can change it later on, but uh, currently you keep it as it is. Save change again and then uh, view the site. Yes, your website is totally imported to the new domain, which is youtube.thenews.com. This is the new domain and this is the old domain. Okay, so this was the simple solution to import the files from one server to another server using all-in-one WP migration. Hopefully, you will understand this process very easily. Thank you very much.